Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. I live in Los Angeles, California. I try and go hiking every day. I actually went earlier tonight. My favorite place? Well, any place where I'm hiking is my favorite place. I usually go to Elysian Park. It's close to where I live. And my hiking buddies, as you'll see, get to run around, have a good time, and they make a lot of friends while they're out there too. So check it out, and thanks a lot. So I go hiking every day with these guys, and we have a ton of fun. Let's go. So as you can see, we do east side and west side hiking. All right, let's go.